Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. So we just finished our first section of our Chippendale railing replacement job. Took out the old pickets, used 2x2 treated balusters. That's our work plan up there. Jose really killed this. He used 2x4 for spacer block, chalk lines to orient primary X, and then completed the offset pattern. Again, we're just using a 2x2 treated picket. Builder's first source, we were able to get 12-foot lengths, which gives us some flexibility. This rail was in good condition. Other three were bad shape, so we're replacing those. I think start to finish on this section, including figuring everything out, got about an hour and a half. We're hoping these other sections go a lot quicker. Got 8 more to go. Little small ones there. But that's a Chippendale railing system. That's how we do it. I know there's a lot of other ways to do it, but we felt in this situation, this application will work. We're going to be painting everything. We use 2-inch galvanized nails, finish nails. All the angles nice and sharp. And that's how we do it. We'll keep you posted with the finished job. As always, if we can help you out with your custom carpentry work, custom carpentry projects, please give us a call. The crews, equipment, and experience to make it easy for you the first time. 478-501-0102. Thank you for watching.